Hello beautiful people, it's Jillian Cruz. In this video, I am going to show you how I make coffee with Breville dual boiler. Using my Acaia Pro scale, I weigh in my portafilter and tare back to 0. I do this for consistency. Dose is the first and critical step in maintaining the taste and quality of your coffee. So I suggest that you get any weighing scale that is available for you to use. I have new coffee beans to try from Fax Coffee. This is their crafted blend, also known as the house blend. I am using the Breville Smart Grinder. I only take out the beans that I will be using for the day. It always depends on the brand and type of coffee. Today, I put the grind size to 5. As you have noticed, I use a silicone mat. It is because I don't want to scratch the surface of my coffee machine. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.